Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with a video where we're with Jaja.
Jay.
We're actually going to do something a bit weird. We had a plan. Someone called us and said, listen guys, I know someone who has a warehouse with 6 Mazda RX, 7 FBs for sale, apparently an S chassis, and apparently a bunch of other cars. These would be cars that are abandoned in a warehouse. So we decided we were going to check it out.
I've never done it before either.
So now, we're on the way to the man's address. Apparently, he's an old man.
Let's hope he lets us film. I'll tell him that we're making some short videos for the internet. We'll try to show you that.
So there would be 6 RX-7 FBs. Naturally aspirated rotaries. An S chassis apparently without an engine. Motorcycles, cars,
Trucks.
trucks.
A lot of stuff.
Apparently there's a lot of stuff. I called Jaja and told him he had to come with me today. We're going to check out some cars.
Barn fins.
We're searching for barn finds, just like in Forza.
We're in Horizon now.
That's right, but I doubt we'll find an F40.
No, I don't think so.
But I said go ahead, we still have to go check it out. So now, we're on the road, we'll be there in a few minutes. We'll get back to you as soon as we're on site. Alright guys, here we are, we've arrived. The person agreed to let me film, so I'm gonna show you a bit of where we are. You'll see it looks really cool.
And there's no age for that. No, but they gave. Yesterday, 4 young people visited, and one had tears in his eyes saying, I'd almost do this for life. Hop, hop, hop. I said, bring me a girl, we'll take care of it in the camper. And the young guys, well, I'll show you. He said to me, but for sure, we're going to take several cars from you because there's a Celia car, if you know it.
That's why I came. My colleague told me about it.
Yeah.
I wanted to see her, yes.
She's beautiful, but empty inside. He set it up to drift. I told the guy, listen, let me know when you sell it. I'm a speed freak and love speed.
We're kind of like that.
That's just how it is. No alcohol, tobacco, or drugs. For us, it's the car.
Cars.
Our drug, it's right here. But I'm telling you, if you see me drive, I guarantee you it's simple, just like you. That's the thought. When we finish the hill climb, when we're all the way at the top, or when we're done, we're at the park. The young guys, they come and say, damn, who's driving the Mazda? Hey, who's the driver? I'd like to talk with him. And then I step forward and say, well, it's me. He asks, you're not driving that, are you? I reply, why? Is gray hair a problem? Plus, hard, plus, hard, plus, hard, plus, user, charge, sub, result, have sensei. No, you see, we're young at heart, but just out of luck. I realize that the body still takes a beating, and yet I play sports. I don't have a belly.
That one is not for sale.
It's the only one he keeps to drive around with. He probably drives it a lot.
And that, you can build it yourself. That's what you should do. Even if it's just for fun. You buy the empty Racine kit, air intake manifold, 48 IDA carburetor. So before, I was 280, and then they bothered me at Boker 10.
280 horsepower?
Yes, of course. But then you have the carburetor. You know, it's Quentin who knows it perfectly. Oh, him, yes,
He knows, yes.
I explained it to him. With the rotary engine, you already remove the thermal reactor, which takes away 15 horsepower. Then, the thermal reactor is powered by 15. That's the minimum. After that, the thermal reactor itself is powered by a compressor. All right, you still need nearly 10 extra horsepower due to the compressor. There are 2 exhaust pipes on an RX-7. You have the main exhaust, the regular line, plus a second small exhaust pipe, which comes from the thermal reactor, which burns because the rotary engine only burns 96% of the fuel.
All right.
And for European standards, well, they put in a thermal reactor. So you remove the vacuum pump, you remove the thermal reactor. Then I got rid of the flywheel, and it's a factory Mazda flywheel. Instead of 12 or 13 kilos, the flywheel, how much does it weigh? 5? You go down to 5 kilos. So automatically.
The responsiveness is incredible.
It's immediate. On top of that, she's like fuel.
With the fuel, yes.
Seriously, what I'm telling you, I hit 11,000 revolutions per minute. You go 1, 2, and I don't even know if it makes it to 2. But it makes sense. It makes sense. But what kind of engine do you have with teeth? It's not...
But yes.
Because they don't know the engine. Yeah, they don't know.
It's not known?
Well, it's not really known either, you know? I didn't like changing the bucket seats, dashboard, and switches. Then I made something nice again. What's your first name?
Peter?
Yeah, maybe I won't remember because... And you? Jawed. But where are you from? From where? Morocco or Algeria? Both. My parents, they are. Well, no, you can't be. Yeah, were you conceived in Morocco and born in Algeria? No, but where are you from? No, my mother's Algerian and my father's Moroccan. If I mention Hassi Messaoud, Wargla, Gardaya, Mena, Tamanrasset, does that mean anything to you? You must not know Algeria. No, I don't know. No, I worked for Total. That's why I picked all that up. And that's also why you stay in shape. On the oil platform, you work 12 hours a day, 400 hours a month. Yes, that's right. Oh, damn. And you know, I'm talking to both of you. Do you know La Grande Motte? Yes. But then you've never seen those little yellow boats? Joel? Look, I had a rental phase at La Grande Motte and at the same time in Marseille, on the beach. Because I was from Chapter, I had a 17-meter boat, and I used to take people fishing at sea. Well, you see, I had accumulated 21 Bagheera and 6 Murena.
Oh yeah? Oh, the Marina, is that the one with 3 seats in the front?
Yeah, that too, you know.
Oh yeah?
There you go. So it's just to show you. Because sometimes if you have coworkers, so I bought a jet ski because I wanted to start a water sports center. And this one is very powerful and very fast. I bought it without an engine. The guy said, "You can find engines anywhere." But I couldn't find one. I bought it. I wanted to put an RX-7 in.
In the jet?
Well, yes, but that's it. But it's so small.
Yeah, that's true. No, but it's true.
Put the engine from the RX-7, output. Okay, keep the flywheel mandatory. Directly from the flywheel, put a shaft, drive the turbine.
The turbine.
Yeah, do you realize how hard it would have hit going up?
Yeah, it's the same as the Blue with 280 horsepower.
See, it would have fit perfectly in a jet ski.
Oh yeah, easily.
Well, yeah, it's really small, so it fits. It's clean.
That's excellent.
No, but if you wash it, it's beautiful. It's clean.
Excellent.
No way.
There are 3 seats inside since it's clean underneath.
But we would need to... It looks clean.
You just need to clean it. It's a Fiero, the one used for kit and replica cars like Ferraris.
Yes, that's right. And so I messed everything up. But if you know about them, I have some Pontiac V6 engines. All right, American engines. Are those engines behind that?
Yeah.
I gutted the interior, built a tubular chassis, and installed a Renault 21 Bosian.
Does it have a Renault 21 engine inside?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Is it Atmo or turbo? Oh, no, turbo.
Turbo.
Damn, that Bosian hits hard. But it's just a regular Renault 21 with the Bosian computer.
All right, okay.
I'm the one who sets all this up. Yes, all right. It's been years. Oh, wow. Well, yes. Oh, and then it has a lot of systems on it. In the front, I put a big Mercedes windshield washer reservoir in which I put water and ice cubes. And then under the heat exchangers, there are sprayers with ventilation to cool the exchanger.
Yes, okay.
Which means I get air at 12 degrees in the...
In the intake?
In the intake. He has to pull out... Ah, yes.
That should work.
But that, you see, it's all me. I put it all together.
Well, good job.
On the fly. There's a little jam that's blocking your reverse gear. All right. And with the Renault 21, you have to press the lever. I don't remember how, and for me, to make it work so I can unlock the reverse gear.
There's the cable.
I pull on my cable, but it's the same, you see. I put everything together myself.
Incredible.
And it's all put together with boat control cables.
All right.
Yes, so I just need to adjust things at the back. Before, it was the transmission, the gear lever with linkages and everything. Several times. When you do hill climb racing, you take a hit in the hairpin. You take a bit of a hit. The curbs sow the dirt, the grass, and the wildflowers. It goes clink, they jump. And here it's cable operated then. Ah, yes, for me it is. My controls, I control everything by cable.
It's impressive.
Come on, grab the corpse.
So here we're entering the second warehouse.
Oh, Bobby.
But he's happy. Come on, Bobby, show them around. That's awesome.
Okay.
Here, the engine lacks the suspension arms. There you go. But hey, if you want to hold the hood here so you can see they're not junk, the cars. Stored inside, so it's fine. Yeah.
Ready to receive a new heart.
Yeah, you put in an engine, but like I tell the guys, when you buy a car like this, you shouldn't replace the engine, wondering if it will run or not. You have to act immediately.
Redo everything.
You have to give it the full treatment.
You have to start from scratch.
Yeah, you rebuild the engine.
The interior, it's complete.
Does it open? Oh, it does. It's
An S12. The reaction at the same time when seeing the S12 over there.
Mazda pumps oil into the engine's oil pan,
Yeah.
which is a mineral oil.
Yes.
It sends mineral oil into the four-body fuel system. You should know that a four-stroke oil can't lubricate the cylinders.
Okay.
And so when I used to do hill climb racing, I would get carbon buildup. And that carbon would turn into a kind of gum that would block things up. My apexes, which are the crest segments. That's it, yes. And so when I started up, I had one loose segment, a second one that was semi-loose, and a third one that was stuck tight. And so I had more compression. They'd push me downhill, and once I hit 30 kilometers an hour, I'd shift into second gear. And then it would start up again.
Excellent. Yeah, but which Nissan is that again? Oh yeah, okay.
It's a Fontaine.
It's just that it looks American.
But when you drive with it.
Cedric, I don't think it was released in France.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Well, she is.
It must be written on the back.
Yes, it's Cedric.
It's a Datsun.
No, that's the Datsun 280C. The Cedric, I sold it. It's gone now. That's excellent.
Turbo diesel?
No, I don't know if it's turbo. I don't know.
Well, open the hood first.
Oh, well, yeah, the car runs, but, you know, I don't drive anymore now.
It needs to be cleaned, you know.
Maybe pump it up a bit.
Did you see that with the big rims and lowered?
Hey, if it's the engine, it's nice. It's unlocked.
You're not doing too bad.
Because before, there were free-range chickens.
Is there an egg?
Yeah. Yes, because...
Oh, yes, there's an egg.
Oh, but there was a time when I used to pick them up. 10 dozen eggs a day.
It's a nice S12 in good exterior condition with a nice plate.
If you wash it, the wheels are so small. Why did you put wheels like that on it?
I think it's just to move it around.
It's beautiful. That was so I could load it onto the trailer. My coworker said, go on. The interior's gone. Oh no, but the interior. You should have seen the bucket seats for drifting. It was super light.
The interior is gone, but the dashboard remains.
I have the steering wheel though, you know.
Yeah, no, it's just the front seats that are missing.
Yeah, the panels are there.
The panels, the dashboard, the back seat. Is the engine there? Is everything there?
I know, but there you go. It's complete.
Oh yeah, it's almost starting up, you know?
It's almost starting. I think we need to take the engine apart.
Yeah, and replace all the seals and the system.
There you go.
It's crazy to have so many fights like that.
But because...
It's strange to see so many like that.
And the blue one there.
It deserves a restoration anyway.
Oh, but no. And then...
Especially the blue one.
Something needs to be said today. I'm honest. It's not priced for what kind of car it is, because, after all, it's special. But you're young. The advantage you have over me is that a young person who invests in a car like this, when he's my age, if he keeps his car, I guarantee it'll be worth a lot.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Because you won't find rotary engines anymore.
That's for sure. Anyway, thank you for having us and showing us all this, because we're going to report it to Quentin.
Well, unfortunately, like I said, yes, Quentin, tomorrow or later. For example, if he called and said, hey, Christian, I'm buying the RX-7. Well then, the car's his.
To clarify, we came here earlier, and the gentleman has been discussing Quentin since then. Actually, it was a friend of ours who told us to come here. He couldn't free up his schedule to come see the cars, and actually, he saw that there was one for sale, an RX-7. He's always wanted to have one, so we came here for him in advance to make sure we could see the cars. We'll give him our report and tell him its condition. I took many pictures to send him, and that's all. Actually, we came to see which one was the most salvageable, so he can achieve his dream of buying and restoring an RX 7FB. So I think if he has to pick one, it'll be the blue one. The interior is complete and the mechanics are there. There's work to do, that's for sure. There's work to do, but I think it's a good base for restoration. Yeah, well, it's really impressive to see all this, you know, to think that there are only RX and 7FBs here like this. Abandoned, it's really impressive. And then the S12 there, it's really a shame it doesn't have an engine. It's really, really incredible. A crazy collection, really strange. It's the first time I'm in front of barn finds like this. It really gets your heart racing, honestly. And they're really, really, really in true barn find condition. It's just wow. Honestly, I really fell for this one. The Datsun 280C, it's almost a shame that it's a diesel. Well, it's still a 6-cylinder, but I love this kind of sedan, really boxy like this. Nissan. I don't have the space, I don't have the knowledge to get it running again, maintain it, restore it. It's really sexy though. The boxy front end is really something, isn't it? It's really crazy, really, really crazy. I love it. But yeah, it's a shame I don't have the space to actually take it and restore it. Was there a death in this one?
Yeah, look at the passenger, look at the car.
Okay, I got it. It was lifted up.
I've already taken a bunch of parts, dashboard and everything. The axle, all the stuff. I got everything back. And then, the day someone needs a Mitsubishi axle...
It's not something you see every day either.
Or a transfer case. I think I can get a good price.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
So you've got the whole thing. But still, it's pretty tough when you see a bumper like that.
That's a big car, yeah.
But damn, that really hits hard. Damn it.
All right, we won't bother you any longer.
There you go. Well, listen.
Thank you very much. Guys, that's it. I'm back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. In any case, it was a great pleasure to share this with you. Honestly, it's the first time I've taken part, well, at least that I've been in a real barn find. It was truly moving. Christian was wonderful for sharing stories and welcoming us into his home. And if you enjoyed this video, well, you know what you have to do. It's the only thing I ask of you. Subscribe to the channel. And even if you're new here, don't forget to do it. This is really important to me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.